Want to polish your copy for different reading levels? You're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to adjust your writing to ensure it resonates with any reader, no matter their reading level. Stick around till the end, because I'm also sharing an exclusive tool to help you do this faster, and it's available only for viewers of my channel. Let's dive right in. The first step to polishing your copy for different reading levels is understanding your audience. Before you write, you need to know who you're writing for. If you're writing for kids or people who struggle with reading, you want to keep things simple. Short sentences, common words, and clear ideas. But if your audience is more experienced, like professionals or industry experts, you can use more complex language and concepts. Knowing your audience guides everything from sentence structure to word choice. Next, use tools that can help you measure the reading level of your copy. There are plenty of software options out there to help with this, but the one we'll be using in this video is a great choice. It's a tool that can assess the readability of your text and suggest improvements in real time. If you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below, just for you, my viewers. Now, let's talk about sentence structure. For easier reading, avoid long, winding sentences. Break them down into shorter, simpler ones. This helps your reader follow along with ease. Use active voice as much as possible. It's more direct and easier to understand. Passive voice can confuse the reader and make the content harder to process. When it comes to word choice, think about your vocabulary. For general audiences or beginners, you'll want to keep your words simple. Use words with fewer syllables and avoid jargon unless absolutely necessary. For higher level readers, you can afford to use more specific and technical language, but always make sure it adds value to your message. Also, use formatting to your advantage. Bullet points, subheadings, and bold text help break down your copy into digestible pieces. This makes it easier for readers of all levels to navigate your content without feeling overwhelmed. It's a quick and easy way to improve readability without changing the substance of what you're saying. Another great technique is to use readability tests like the Flesch-Kincaid grade level. These are built into many writing tools and give you an easy way to determine the reading level of your content. If your score is too high for your audience, you'll know it's time to simplify. And remember, while it's important to match your writing to your audience, it's also essential to maintain your tone. If you're writing for a general audience, keep it friendly and conversational. For more advanced readers, you can take a more formal or authoritative tone. Key takeaway: to polish your copy for different reading levels, know your audience, simplify your sentences, choose the right words, and use formatting to break up your content. Use readability tools to measure and refine your work. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below for the software we used in this video. It'll help you write better, faster, and more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.